Good morning student, myself Vinod Bhati, continuing our chapter number 2, nutrition in animals. In our previous videos we have studied about the nutrition in animals, that is digestion in human beings. Now today we will discuss about the rumination. Rumination is the process takes place in ruminants. Ruminants are those organisms which graze the grasses and green plants. They have a process known as rumination, in which they rechew the food. As they get the food, they first chew the food very fast and swallow it without chewing it properly, and when they rest, at that time they take out or bring back the chewed food into their mouth and chew it well, and that is known as chewing of the curd. And after chewing properly the food, then it again swallowed and it get into their stomach, and in that stomach it is again digested, and after the digestion it is absorption of the food takes place, and after that the waste material is being taken out. The whole process is known as rumination. So actually what is a rumination? Rumination is the process of bringing back of the swallowed food and chew it well for the digestion is known as rumination. Rumination takes place in ruminants. Ruminants are the grazing animals such as cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, etc. Now in the ruminations there are 4 parts in their stomach. Here I have shown a diagram in which the parts of the digestive system in the ruminants are here. In that when they chew the food, they chew their food with the help of large molar teeth in their mouth, so that they can grind food more fine. After chewing the food, they swallow it directly and it goes to the rumen. In that rumen, here when they rest, at that time with the help of the reticulum, they bring back their food, and this food is come inside their mouth in the form of bolus, in the round bowls, and after that it comes into the mouth. They chew it well by ruminating the food, and after grinding this food very well, they again re-swallow the food. This re-swallowed food get into their umasam region. Here in the umasam region, the excessive water is being absorbed, and after that it is get inside the abomasum. In the abomasum region of the stomach, here the digestion of the food takes place, and after the digestion of the food is break down into very fine particles, and after that it again goes into the rumen. Here the absorption of the important nutrients takes place, and after that the waste material is being taken out through the process called egestion. So that is the rumination in ruminants. Again, the rumen is the first and the largest chamber of the stomach, where the food or the fast chewed food gets stored. After that there is a reticulum, the second chamber of the stomach, in which the food is being back or to the mouth for re-chewing of the food or chewing of the curd. After that the third chamber, umasam, it is the smallest chamber. Here the excessive water is being absorbed, and the fourth chamber, abomasam, it is the last chamber, because here the actual digestion of the food takes place. So that is the rumination in the grazing animals. After that, nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism and it does not have a definite shape. In aquatic water bodies, this amoeba is present. It is a unicellular organism. When amoeba come in contact with any food material, such as here I have drawn a diagram of Chlamydomonas. Here when the amoeba come in contact with the food material, they forms a finger-like projection around the food material, and these finger-like projections are known as pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means leg. So it forms a finger-like projections around the food, so that it can engulf the food inside. It enlarges and finally it engulfs the food inside their body. Now after getting inside the food, they secrete the digestive enzymes, and with the help of these digestive enzymes, the food is being digested, and after the digestion of food, they get the nutrition. The waste material is taken out through the process known as phagocytosis in amoeba. The process is there for egestion or to remove the waste, that is known as phagocytosis. So once again, nutrition in amoeba takes place in various steps. First of all, when amoeba come in contact with food material, it is the food material such as Plymodomonas, that is your amoeba. When amoeba come in contact with the food material, they forms a finger-like projection known as pseudopodia, and it completely, with the help of the enlargement of the pseudopodia, they completely engulf the food material and digest the food with the help of digestive enzymes, and after that the waste material is being taken out with the help of the process called phagocytosis. I hope you are able to understand this topic. This is the end of our chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.